Really? You already have my email address and my phone number.
We'll go to no thanks.
I know, just saying, like,
Yeah.
and I've already agreed.
Yeah, that's overkill.
Yep. What is this?
What the hell is that?
Cheers, mix, click, and code with Boozy browsing, sipping and fixing the web one cocktail at a time.
Starting off with the drinks or introducing what we're gonna do?
We usually start off with the drinks.
Well, today I actually have to drive, so I'm going with the non-alcoholic. The only alcoholic I think is decent is what you said. Guinness.
That's
I'll
funny.
give it another try. I know I always alright. This thing is that weird thing inside that always
Yep.
pops.
Nitro.
Anyway, whatever.
How do you like it?
It's weird. Very blend.
Mm-hmm. So I'll jump into mine because I literally picked the same. However, I went a little different because I've already had this one before, right? So I decided, well, let's do a real pour because you're supposed to drink out of a glass anyways.
Oh, I didn't.
And so I did it early thinking it was a Guinness pour and this was going to take me like 5 minutes to pour. No, it pours very flat. Like that's as much as I got out of it.
So
So
the alcohol makes it harder to pour then?
I don't know what, like, because it should have a lot of foam head, and it is. I mean, Guinness is relatively, quote unquote, flat, I guess,
Mhm.
technically. But yeah, it should have it should be like take forever to pour.
Oh,
And
this is
the
60
non-alcoholic,
calories?
yeah, non-alcoholic takes no time at all. Like I literally started really slow and realized it was creating nothing, and then I just poured it in. Oh, I still did have some more in there. Like, and
But
then
it
like,
says 0, but it's point 0.5. Contains less than point 0.5 alcohol by
yeah,
volume.
all non-alcoholic have some because they're trying, like, they try to get down to 0, but they can't. So
Oh.
they're still required to be 21 and over.
Oh, really? Can you still drive? I have to drive, like
Yeah, I mean, this is like, because you could drink a beer an hour and still be able to drive legally, typically.
oh, I don't try those.
Yeah. So this is you're still I'm not giving you legal advice, I guess, nor anyone else. But yeah, drinking a non-alcoholic beer would be fine. But yeah, I mean, like I said, it of all of them so far, this is the more beer-like taste.
So I don't even wanna try the other ones then.
No.
If this is the best you can get.
Well, I wouldn't say best. I'm sure the IPA ones, the people that like the IPA ones, are decent for that flavor, but like I don't
Hmm.
understand some of the other ones that have almost no beer taste. Like I'm not
So what
a
why do you drink it then?
well, this one because I actually like it's pretty good flavor. Um and does replace a beer if I don't want to, deal with that. But the other ones I was trying to try, like find another one that actually can replace the beer flavor. And I haven't, so there's no point in drinking them in my mind because
Okay.
like the one I think is the one that was Blue Moon, I think. Like I tried that. Like, well, it was just like a citrusy drink. Like
Yeah. I'm not a big fan of Blue
paid
Moon
half the
to be
price for
honest.
just a
Yeah.
regular non-alcoholic drink.
Hmm.
Oops.
The only non-alcoholic I tried was wine to see,
Right.
but I think I told you, like, it just felt like a very expensive grape juice. I
Mhm.
didn't see the point of it. I think the closest was, the champagne. I tried the
Sure.
non-alcoholic champagne, but, champagnes are usually pretty weak, so it just tasted like champagne.
Well,
Alright.
we're gonna do an audit. I figure since we're doing non-alcoholic, we can audit a knife site, right? Since we can handle knives.
As if, like, we actually have to physically handle the knife.
I actually have, yeah, I do have this brand. I will see. Let me find my full. I don't want to do the tab again. I want to do the full window. Where is it? Just gonna do the entire screen. I can't find it. So, is it coming up yet? There it goes. It was just slow. So we're doing Benchmade. So yeah, I've got my Benchmade in my pocket. So
Okay,
I am
amazing.
actually a customer. I've never gone to their website like ever, honestly. So because I already know the product, I already know that I want the knives, and I would test them out in person at trade shows or in the stores. But they do have a website, and I'm sure it better be really good, right?
Is that
So this is another
you
premium brand.
buy from the site? Is that
Oh, we're
or is
about to find out, I
oh, okay.
guess. So it looks like you could order something if you're going to get laser markings. What kind of
Mm.
knife are you shopping for? What's a Oh, an underwater knife, maybe?
Oh, tactical.
Okay, boy. Can I
Why
put
do you
your
need a
Can I put your email address here?
why is it so, like, what do you need
Oh,
to
now I need my phone number? No,
can
fuck.
you get out of it? Can you skip that? I have to blur that out now.
I'm in. My phone number, please. I don't care about my email address.
Yeah.
I'm in, but now I have to take a quiz. I
No,
mean,
thanks. I know what I'm
we're going through the whole experience, right?
okay. Go
Oh,
for it.
great. And it shows my last four of my credit card on there too. What just happened?
I thought you want quiz.
I did click that.
Oh,
Oh, this
uh,
is the quiz. Okay.
oh, that's interesting. Okay.
It just looked like a landing page. I guess it is. All right. I already said tactical. So now I'm
Yeah.
getting
What do you need?
what? None of these are tactical. Oh, professional. Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, we can all aspire to be something different, right?
Now there's tactical.
Now there's tactical. So professional, tactical.
That's very
Before I
confusing.
clicked, and now I got to click the image and I got to click next. Fixed blade, automatic. So definitely fixed blade. That's a feature that didn't have to happen and it's kind of jumpy and ugly.
Yeah.
Okay. Which color? I definitely like vibrant. I'm just making up stuff at this point. So I clicked fixed blade, but that's not fixed blade. That's not, I guess it's just for color, but still. Really? You already have my email address and my phone number.
We'll go to no thanks.
I know, just saying, like,
Yeah.
and I've already agreed.
Yeah, that's overkill.
Yep. What is this?
What the hell is that?
It doesn't even look like, oh, it's a trainer of that. Okay. Okay. That seems, so I get that they want to recommend one,
But you should
but
have
wouldn't
a
you want to give me like the whole search results of all of them?
yeah, or, like, at least show it underneath.
I mean, I guess that's what this is the underneath, I guess, technically.
Yeah, but they all look the same.
Yeah, those two do. Well, I guess that's SOCP. It's definitely not a type of blade that I've looked for.
No.
All three of those are slightly different design, I guess. These two look the same. No, they're not. You can see the. Anyways, getting a little too detailed. This is why we take 30 minutes. Well, at this point, I'm already frustrated as a customer because I had to enter my email twice. It seemed like for something
What
I
about
didn't
can you
need.
just go back and look at everything? What if you initially thought you wanted tactical, but now you wanna look at other options?
Mm-hmm.
Is there any option to
Change
view?
my.
What's on
Well, yeah,
shop
it
on
looks like I could. I could have changed.
but do you have to pick which one you want, or can you just see everything?
Right. I'm guessing if.
What happens to if you go to shop on top menu?
Okay, yeah, it still goes to one. So shop day. So here's a more standard. Still takes up the whole. That's weird. Like
Can
not
you check
good.
your lamp?
No, no, just a
What's that
picture.
little menu on the in the middle?
I can't really close. Where
Little menu in the
this
bottom
one?
that's yeah, I'm so confused. What the
I don't know what that is showing it at a different angle. It
it
is a
looks like
different.
columns, 4 columns now.
I feel like they're not using the real estate very well.
No.
You know, the fact that I'm on a desktop on a big screen, I feel like I should be able to see 6 or 8 knives. Like this could be a horizontal, like this could be more of a horizontal, and then at least give me 4 knives so I don't have to scroll and look. I mean, at this point, fine, whatever, but I can't even fully, all I can see is one row, especially if I do this. This is the default. Like it barely fits in my screen.
What about overall speed? Like, that's definitely design flaw that it's
Mhm.
frustrating, but it looks like it'll have it throughout the whole site. It's like interaction, user interface, interaction is horrible. But What about performance
That was
from when
pretty
we ran,
poor.
yeah, audit in the quick audit tool that we have? It says mobile performance is, wow, struggling. The Lighthouse score is 26. Desktop is 71.
Yeah, I could see. I mean, you saw how long this page took to load.
Yeah, and then there's like a weird rotating image for no reason. Not exactly sure what that is for.
Click, you see it all.
So there's e-commerce portion to it. I'm curious if mobile's even mobile friendly.
Yeah, shift to mobile already. I mean, I like zoomed out or something. It just doesn't. It feels like it takes so much.
Seems very slow.
Yeah, it's all broken. Ooh, I don't even know what happened there. Oh, that was still loading. Oh, I scrolled and then this whole center section was still loading and then it moved it around. These are all out of alignment.
They definitely need some help with design and performance. This seems very, very painful. Not exactly sure why they have a big image, small image, biggest image, small image, but it's
I just
taking,
scroll down, right?
yeah. And that two middle section that has two images that looks like it's broken, it should be,
Right.
and that's a carousel.
It's really, you can't, I don't know if you can tell because you're not like, I'm the one scrolling, but it's
Mhm.
definitely jumpy. Can you see the twitching? Is it coming
Hard
through
to see on the screen. Yeah.
on the recording? Like it is bouncing up and down really slightly as I'm scrolling.
Oh,
There's definitely some performance, like JavaScript performance issues going on.
well, so looks like site speed is pretty bad. Mobile responsiveness is
Yeah.
not there. Navigation clarity, I think this is the first thing that we looked at. Information hierarchy was so confusing, and you have to put your information twice
Well, the
to,
way, I mean, that was just the modal that popped up initially.
but there was no way to get out of it.
Mm, I think there was. I just chose not to. I think there was an X. I just
Oh, was
wanted to
it?
go through it to see if it was easy, but it wasn't easy. I mean, this navigation is it's so I can't scroll up or down, but it looks like I have content down here. But this is all fixed, even though I can't get through that part.
Uh-huh.
See if these open up. Yeah, so it's so weird. Why wouldn't you just open this up? I guess these are kind of long a little bit. Go back to shop, the whole thing. It is very slow.
What about any other menu item? Because you're staying in the first one.
I did shop. Oh, the top?
Yeah.
That just goes,
So it's kind of semi mobile versus kept the desktop menu.
yeah, it kept that similar to the desktop.
Is it just really
Here's the
slow?
knife finder again that
Didn't work.
was even more complicated and slower loading than before. I mean, I've already signed up. I gave you this information. That's weird that they haven't stored that. Like, this looks like it should navigate, but it doesn't.
What about, I'm curious, the site is very, very slow, but is the checkout experience any good? Oh, you can multi-select?
Yeah, that's why. So now you're right. So now I'm here. There's no X. I guess this is my only option. No thanks. Take me to the results. That was my best match.
And you just get one.
Yeah. Even though I basically just, they gave me a interesting way of going through their categories,
Mhm.
but I wonder if it's a random or if it was actually, like if there's another no, I clicked all four. So you'd think that I would actually have a good chance of having more than one option. So
Right.
but these are all the same.
Style.
They really are, even the same color, even though I picked
Yeah.
it's weird. So I did add something interesting. That's fine. I click personalize. Let's see what that does. Oh man, this is painful. Like I'm sure it's cool, but
But in mobile, it
so what am
doesn't
I
even
supposed to
show.
do? I can't
What happens with that on desktop? Is it
guess
only for desktop?
what.
Because you're on mobile right now.
So I can make it really ugly. Can't get out of here. I don't know.
Well, go to desktop and see if this is any better. Because right now,
Well,
the image is even chopped up.
I mean that'll be interesting, but also like look at so the logo exits me.
It's a little easier to see. Was it the personalize?
Wait and wait and wait. So, yeah, I lost all my stuff. That's fine.
Didn't save your stuff.
No. That's kind of fun. I mean, you're not going to be switching between desktop and mobile.
Well, yeah.
I mean, this is definitely better, easier to see, work with, but
Yeah, is that the only place you can put custom text?
yeah, you can't. Like I can center a bit, I can left align, or I can right align.
That's
That
pretty.
doesn't seem,
You can't put it on the handle.
yeah, bigger.
I don't know why you would ever want to put your name on your blade, because don't you?
Put your phone number, so when you get it stolen or lost. I mean,
Oh,
this would be for a gift, I guess. If you're giving one for a gift, and you could put a saying or something or a logo, makes sense. Yeah, actually, I have this knife also.
so you can do that, but is it checkout even? Oh, so you'd added another one?
It looks like it added another one. So that was my original one. Now that's my personalization SKU, I guess, code.
So how did you get to that? Is that just click the cart and it just popped up?
Well, there's a personalized. So I clicked this personalized
No, no,
before.
no, no. How did you get to open my bag?
Yeah, there's a cart logo.
Oh, and then it's opening that instead of going to the cart. What about checkout? Does it still show like that?
It's like a full checkout.
Oh, this is more like third party.
Personalization was free. That's cool.
Yeah, if you're spending $190 on the knife.
How do I get back? Just out. That's good. So I can't. So I am out of the cart, obviously, but yeah, so you can't manage
Go
any.
back.
That's following. Can't go back to edit cart. Obviously, I can go all the way through and back around. That, I mean, that performance bugs me a lot
Yeah.
because I feel like this is a new, clean, current site. I don't know why the performance would be this bad. Honestly, like, what if I'm sure these are blog posts,
Is this
not pages.
what kind of site is this? Is this Shopify?
Did our thing flag it at all?
No. Product configure sophisticated CMS that can handle doesn't really
Yeah, it's a
say.
Shopify site. I mean, they've added some other JavaScript stuff onto it as well.
Yeah, that's what it says. The JavaScript delivery Cloudflare does. Yeah, it
Yeah,
added some stuff on top of it.
that's definitely why it's probably so definitely why scrolling wise is jumpy. I'm sure they have some scroll kind of monitoring going on.
Well, I think I've seen enough to give
Yeah,
my feedback.
yeah. I mean, what's their search look like?
Yeah. What will be your one feedback or one or two things that they should fix immediately?
I mean, performance has to, like, this jumping around and loading, and like, this is so slow to me. That's the first thing. The second thing, I feel like, and this is more of a design thing, they have to go through, it just takes up so much room
Yeah. You see
on
one at a time.
on all these pages,
Yeah.
which is nice. I mean, in one sense, it's nice to have big photos of your knives, of course. But if it affects a user from being able to, like, move through it, this isn't too bad. Like, I think it was just that one page where the top, it was taking over me being able to look at results. Yeah, this section. You know what? It's not just that; it's the jumping around too for me. So like, if this was a smooth scrolling, I feel like it's too big too, though. Like, I really should be able to see more than two knives at a time.
Well, it does it when you switch to the other view. I think that should be the default view.
This, well, now I can see three.
3 or 4.
Oh, there's four. Okay. But I mean, even rows. Like, I should be able to see two rows, I feel like.
Well, my
Yeah.
one feedback is get rid of that weird quiz thing in the beginning. Make that optional. It's very disruptive. It's like we couldn't even get to the main site unless we go through that weird thing. And if you're gonna make them mandatory, at least give more than one results. And it was weird because like you have to go through that quiz and you have to go to that section specifically and reselect everything. So that interaction felt really weird. Didn't make sense at all. This almost felt like whoever designed this design for their pleasure, not thinking about the customer. Because if it's an e-commerce site, you want to see more product than one at a time.
Yeah, I mean, they really wanted to show off the knives, and again, that makes sense in one respect, where they are really nice knives, so you want to have really good photos. But
There's different ways to
There's a
do it.
usability issue when they can't find other options of knives or just seeing other comparisons. 'Cause I would say you're more likely if you're coming here to buy a knife or something for gifts. If you can see multiple knives, you might end up buying two
Right.
type of thing. But if you're shown the one knife and then three other options that look the same,
You're not gonna buy.
why would I buy two when they all look the same to me? From a like non, because again, you're probably coming here during especially right now. You're coming here to buy it for a spouse, a sibling, or a friend, something like that. You're probably not buying it for yourself. Like for me, I buy it from a store because I want to see the knife. I want to use the knife um, myself. But if I'm buying for a gift, you're going to go to the website. And yeah, if I can't see more than one option, what's the point?
Yeah. And there's a different way to showcase your cool graphics. You can maybe have a gallery and then slideshow, but not
Uh-huh.
taking over the entire space for every single page. Or have a list of all these things, and then when you get into it, you have an individual page of knives that has better images. It just seems weird that you're forcing to see the big image, and because of that, the site doesn't perform.
Yeah, I wanted to see if like blog pages were that slow too. See, they're pretty fast. Not super fast, but
It's
it's
comparable.
jumping all around though.
Yeah, it's comparable compared to the actual e-commerce site. But I think you should probably spending more time on e-commerce site because if you want to sell the product on your site.
Yeah, I honestly feel like when I click shop, I should be going to a landing page
Yeah.
and not have to go through a filter of navigation to see partial knives right now. All right.
Well,
So the number
unfortunately,
wise, were we gonna give them some numbers?
we could.
I'm like a 2-3 across the board, I feel like.
Yeah, I think it's 2 for me. Like, I don't think I need to even calculate that because most of the interactions were pretty bad.
Yeah,
So,
I think everything was like the design aesthetics was all
mhm.
lost on the jumpiness, the too large of promo areas. It just made it less usable to me.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, just little things can change to make it better. Just don't make ginormous images everywhere.
Uh,
Like, show more products and get rid of that weird quiz in the beginning to make it easier to access all your products before you're pretty much putting the gates in front of your clients to your products. I mean, those can be a fun activity that you can put it on the side, but not as a main thing,
right.
especially if you're going to have a holiday season coming up for this sales. Hopefully they thought through that. Oh, there's accessibility thing. Is that working?
I assume it's just one of the yeah, it's the same plugin we've seen before.
Right.
Oh, actually, it's not. I've added accessibility before.
Mm. But it's also similar to the other one. Unless you really configured it correctly, it might not work as you
Right.
intended. So definitely test that as well. But yeah, this site was good product, but the website can get some love.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. Well,
Uh,
if
They can send
yeah.
me a knife though, even one I already have.
We can send this audit and see if they can send you a live.
Perfect.
This did you finish it? This is like
Almost.
it's making you full.
You think so? I mean, Guinness does, but this is really thin to me compared to a Guinness.
Yeah, it's like I didn't realize how much taste differences if there's an alcohol portion is removed from it.
Well, yeah, I wish I knew the actual process. I don't know that it's just removing the alcohol, because that's not really a thing you can do
Mhm.
without like boiling it or heating it up. And I don't think that they would do that. So it would cost a lot of money.
I mean, I even chilled it. It's like it wasn't
Well, I
Guinness,
did.
I'm
Yeah, I
okay
did.
with.
My glass was frozen. I had a frozen chilled glass. Mine was everything that it was supposed to do for a Guinness. And Yeah.
Yeah.
It still has the exact same amount. But the
It's actually interesting to see it on the glass. I wouldn't know that by drinking
mm,
this.
I mean, it is very dark.
Yeah, yeah, interesting. Yeah, this is my second time drinking a non-alcoholic, but I don't know if I like it.
It's failed. You give it a 0 out of 5.
I'll give 1. It's okay, but it's probably because also I don't drink beer for a taste. I don't
Mm,
necessarily like the flavor.
yeah, then there's no point at all.
Yeah, so there's really no point. I mean, I do drink wine for the flavor, that's why I tried it, but they're grape juice. I can just drink that.
Yes. Yep. You do like low sugar grape juice, it's gonna be the same.
Yeah, I mean, just water it down, and
Right.
I can do it.
Right.
Well,
Right.
this was an interesting experience as well as interesting sight.
I
I don't
remember like another like premium product and the website wasn't very good.
Yeah, and I think, yeah, it was also one of the pretty bad ones. I mean,
Yeah.
maybe we're a little, skewed because we just had pretty good one lately, and we're trying to compare it. It's a similar because it's e-commerce, it's a product, it's like a premium product-ish, and
Yep.
constantly comparing it with to that. So,
Yep.
maybe that's it too. Well, so next time we'll come up with a different one. Hopefully, we can run into a better site. But
Yeah. Until
okay.
next time.
Alright.
Will next time be after the holidays? When's this going
Um,
live? In December? This will be up in
yeah, it's
December?
right before holidays, so
Okay.
next time will be probably like we'll probably go around we're gonna be talking about holiday specific ones, so we might
Yeah.
push that out first.
Sounds good.
Alright.
Stay tuned for the next episode on Monday afternoon.